Now, after we have completed the schematic sheet setup, it's time to add symbols into our drawing sheet. So in order to add symbols into our drawing sheet, there are two methods. The first one is on the right side. These are list of all the tools that are used for designing the schematic. So over here, you can see over here that there is an add symbol tool. Click on this button and this will load all the symbol libraries. So once these libraries are loaded, you can see over here that these are all the list of libraries that are already present in the KiCad. This is one way to open symbol libraries. Let's close this. The other method is click over here to leave the tool. The other method is on the keyboard, press A, letter A. This will open the symbol library. So over here you can see list of all the libraries. So let's add LED into our schematic. So scroll down, you can see over here that there is a library with the name device. These are generic symbols for common devices. So over here scroll down and see there is a symbol for LED. This is for LED light emitting diode. Double click on this or hit OK to add this to the schematic sheet. So hit OK. Now you have in your hand this LED. So just place on the schematic sheet by clicking anywhere on the schematic sheet. This will add the symbol to the schematic. So click over here and our symbol is now added to the schematic. Let's again click on the sheet. This will again open up the symbol library. As you can see with the cursor, there is a add symbol icon that is shown with the cursor. So if I again click on this schematic sheet, this will open up the symbol library. So now let's add current limiting resistor R. Similarly, we are in the device library. In the device library, there are all the generic symbols that are used in our schematic. So over here you can see I am going to add resistor in our schematic. So over here this is the generic symbol for our resistor, and another style for resistor is over here. So you can see over here R_US is the ANSI style, which is a symbol, a zigzag symbol for resistors, and the previously which I have just shown you, this is IEC style rectangle. So you can choose any one of the both. So I mostly choose this R_US. So just double click on it. You will have this resistor in your hand. So just click on the sheet. This will add this resistor symbol to your schematic sheet. Now let's add another component. Click over here again and this will open up symbol library, and let's search. You can also choose the symbol which you want by just searching on this filter. Let's add battery. So in the device library we have two types of this one battery, which is multi-cell battery, and this is battery cell, which is single cell battery cell symbol. So I want to add battery cell. So let's double click it and click on the schematic sheet. This will add the symbols into our schematic sheet. So in this way you can add symbols to the schematic sheet. Hit escape. This will leave the tool, add symbol tool. So we have studied two methods to add symbol. The first one is by clicking over the button and this will open up symbol library. The second is hit A on the keyboard. This will open up the symbol library. You can either search your symbol, or you can simply scroll down and choose whichever symbol you want.